The BCCI has launched its own inquiry into the spot fixing scandal and announced new measures to counter the menace of fixing. The probe will be headed by its anti-corruption unit chief Ravi Sawhney, who along with the ICC ACSU chief YP Singh made a series of recommendations to the board. Your channel has exclusive details of the proposal made by the ACSU chiefs and the measures adopted by the BCCI.
Stung by the arrest of 3 cricketers and now the leads emerging out of the spot fixing scandal, a worried BCCI has promised to introduce new measures to clean up the rot.
But not being a police organization, not having the powers that the governmental agencies have or the law enforcement agencies have, we are not in a position, we are handicapped when it comes to control over bookies.
Times now has accessed the details of ICC and BCCI anti-corruption wing's proposal. It mentions the need to deploy more ACSU officials during IPL games and regular workshops to educate players. It also suggests regulations to restrict player access and monitor movements of their agents.
Under pressure to talk tough and take stringent measures against the corrupt, the board was forced to accept a series of recommendations proposed by the ICC and the BCCI ACSU in their bid to clamp down on spot fixing.
Sir Ravi Sawhney has been appointed as the commissioner to inquire into the allegations against these players, and his report will be placed before the disciplinary committee of the BCCI for further action.
Sources have told Times now that the BCCI has accepted most of the recommendations made by the anti-corruption unit. Now each team will be accompanied by a special officer and the access to players will be restricted. A framework to bring players' agents into BCCI fold will also be chalked out.
Yeah, it's not worked in the past, and I'm not very hopeful that this simple instruction or procedure of educating players or monitoring more will help, because players who are weak, who have got a weak dent in their character, will somehow succumb, and people will approach them somehow, no matter what you do.
With the board washing its hands off the control over bookies, it remains to be seen if the new measures are able to curb the menace of spot fixing. Sports Bureau, Times Now.